Okay, so now we can go to the real lab and make some standing waves. To do that, we have this string, which on the other side has a hanger on it, and we have added some weight. We have added 150 grams here. So the tension is the weight of the 150 grams mass. And then the length of the string is from here where we start making the waves to this end, which you can read it here is 143 centimeters. So the L that I explained in the previous part is 143 centimeters. So make sure that you convert that into meters. Now I'm going to make all the harmonics. In this instrument we have this thing that goes up and down, and I can change the frequency of this up and down motion. For example, here is about 0. It's 0.7 hertz, which means 0.7 in 1 second. Now I'm increasing this. Now it's 2 hertz, and it's going up and down faster. I do not see the fundamental mode yet, so I just keep going up until I find the fundamental mode. I'm getting closer. There it is. So this is a fundamental mode. And the frequency is 8.56 hertz. Now I'm going to make the second harmonic. So I increase the frequency. Here it is. This is the second harmonic. And the frequency for the second harmonic is 17.4 about. So here we have the note, which is this point. That is the point where it doesn't go up and down. And antinodes here and here. These are the points that have the maximum motion. And from this measure tape, or tape measure, you can measure the length of the everything that you're looking for. For example, where this thing is located, the node is located, and so on. Now I'm going to make the third harmonic. I increase the frequency. And here it is. This is the third harmonic. I have 1, 2, 3 antinodes. And the frequency is 26 hertz. Now I'm going to find the fourth harmonic. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 half a wavelength. And the frequency is 35.3 hertz. Next harmonic, the fifth one. Now this is the fifth harmonic. And the frequency is 44 hertz. I would like to remind you that when you are finding the wavelength for each harmonic from the equation from the previous section, what you find should be consistent with what you observe here. For example, the wavelength of this one is like this plus this, like half a wavelength plus half a wavelength, which is about 57 or 58 centimeters. You should have some consistency with what you measure and what you calculate. Now let's go to the next harmonic. I increase the frequency. It looks like this. Okay. Now here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 harmonic. And the frequency for the seventh harmonics is 61.7. I guess I missed the previous harmonic, the 6th harmonic. So I'm going to decrease the frequency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have the 6th harmonics. And the frequency of the 6th harmonic is about 53 hertz. So we have up to 7, and now I want to make the last harmonic, which is the 8th. This is the 8th harmonic. We have 8 antinodes. And the frequency is 71 hertz. Okay. And next part, we need to add another weight to increase the tension and try to find the same harmonics and the frequency for each harmonic.